Okay, so this is a unboxing of a bit of retro kit, kit being the operative word, which you will see soon. So this is just part of my going back through to some of the stuff I had when I was a kid. So every now and then I was looking on eBay to see whether it existed, whether it was for sale, and I saw one that was UK based, and I won the bid. Today is about this thing, which is, well, let's have a look, let's open up. Now I can't remember the box it came in, so I don't know if this is the same box. It doesn't look familiar. I think mine had a more of a photographic picture on it of what it was, but oh, maybe it is, maybe it is. But there we are. That is the MyKit System 7, and this is what I started playing with in electronics. So it's 501 kit, and the style in those days anyway was a board like this. Well, let's open it and have a look. Let's have a proper look at it. It's quite good. In fact, I'm really pleased that this is actually in its original box. It's quite rare which is quite rare for retro stuff. So there we go. No soldering, no tools needed, learn electronics with each product. I don't know if this one came with a manual. If not, I'll have to look for that. Let's have... Ah, it does come with a manual. There we go. Gosh, memories. Oh, I have a sudden massive flashback. Smells like the 70s. Oh, that is such memories. Why, my goodness. So all sorts of things in here from there's 150 things here. Low frequency signal tracer, transistor tester, diode tester, thermostats, electric switch, transistor radio, solar battery radio. You know, there's a ton of different experiments in here to wire up. Darkroom indicator, automatic auto starter. I certainly didn't do them all. I would have done a good number of them. Gosh, the memories. So, another. In fact, this is in really good nick. That all the paperwork is in here as well. Actually, is this from the original? This talks about the Junior Techni kit. So this is not the same. This is not the same kit. This is from something else. But the same principle anyway. What is this? Radionics product. So there's various different kits you could get. Junior 7, MyKit 7, which is this one, and there were a whole lot of other ones that came after us that were fancier. A bit of instructions on how to put a few things together. How to use the transistor radio, so how to set up the antenna. Let's see. Oh God, that's amazing how the memories just flash back. My goodness, this is in good nick and needs a bit of a clean. Probably been in an attic for a long time. So this was the bottom part, and it fitted together like that, and there it is in all its glory. So you can see there's a number of things: meters, CDS, solar cell, switch relay, Morse code, speaker. An integrated circuit, obviously a very large one, but that's great because it shows you the inside of it. I mean, there's a full-on diode in there, but it gives you the point. Variable resistor, capacitor, tuner. I wonder if this light still works. Remember that color. and various capacitors and resistors. And so the idea is that you had all these wires, and you would follow a diagram. So it would say you can look up a simple one. It's like switching the light on. Can't get myself. I've got no batteries in this. Let me just get some batteries in here first. So I bought these batteries by mistake a while back. Been sitting on the shelf for ages, but now I actually need them. So of course, actually, the battery case was from the back here. I remember once getting really upset that my circuit that I put together didn't work, and what it turned out to be was a flat battery. It was a bit embarrassing. So there you go, that's the battery, and I'll put it back together. As I say, that needs to be fixed, so I'm not going to plug a 9-volt in there yet. There we go. Put it together again, and then, so yes, the idea is you had a wire, and you joined it up from, so this would say 3-volt positive, the negative to 118, so that was negative to 108, which was the switch over there, and then another wire from 107 at least. Oh, it does actually say 118. Sorry, we're going down here. That one there, 118, 117, and so 117 off to 102, which is up here. Because I don't know whether this bulb works or not. It might not work. And then going the other way around from 103 back to the positive of the 3 volts. So there we go, that was that. And if this bulb works, and if the batteries work, and the connectors work, and everything's in place, then the light should come on. Shall we give it a go? No light. I'll be slightly surprised if this bulb works. It looks a bit skew in there. It does look a little bit wrecked there. So let's get the multimeter out quickly and just check that we've got voltage and power and all the rest. And having just opened, this has probably been in the loft for goodness knows how long. So let's just continuity check this. Okay, well that's good news. Let's just go down to voltage and check that I've got some voltage here. I've got voltage, so if I get some voltage across there, I'm going to get some voltage across there. So it's possible that this just needed a bit of a clean. Screw in. There we go, just needed to be screwed in properly, and there we go, and that probably was the first experiment that I did. Look at that, bit of Morse code. That is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love this toy. It was my beginning of my electronics, and I've been looking for one of these for years. So actually to get one that's in a box and in good condition, it's going to need new wires, but it does have the original ear set for when you're making up a radio, and then there are bunches of wires, and a couple of these yellow ones were original, but they were, if I remember correctly, they were different colors. Like there's a blue one, things like that. But anyway, wires are not a problem. That's easily sorted. So there we go. I'm super happy about that. It just needs a bit of a cleanup, but that is just so amazing to see that. Wow. Anyway, I think what I'll do is give it a bit of a clean, and then maybe do a couple of little short videos of me just putting together a few circuits and testing it out and having fun, having a play. Nothing like travelling back to your childhood and having fun. Anyway, till next time, cheers.